Bye.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be trying my luck with baked oats using my microwave. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. For my first baked oats, I've tried my luck with strawberries. So what I've done is I've finely chopped the strawberries and then added in some honey and water, and then I've boiled this mixture down, condensed it down into a puree form. Now for our batter, I've added 1 cup of oat flour, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, then we add the strawberry mixture that we made earlier. Now for that rice, we definitely need some baking powder, so a 1/4 spoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of milk. Then all you need to do is mix all these ingredients together like your life depends on it. For garnish, I've added slices of strawberries on top of the batter.
Bye. Luck. 8 number. Thank you.
Welcome!
Chini, next time to chini beshi.
Okay, so it's another day, another recipe. So for today, I'm making banana peanut butter baked oatmeal. I think this is one of the most easiest recipes from all the 5 recipes that I've tried. All you need to do is mash up some bananas, add in your peanut butter, jaggery powder, milk, and your oat flour, and that's pretty much it. Then you just have to mix it. Please do not forget baking powder, that's the magic ingredient here. For garnish, I've added some cashews on top of the batter. Then we need to put the batter into the microwave for 3 minutes. And there you have it, your very own baked oatmeal. Just like you.
Nice.
Nice, eh? Please rate my baked oats out of 10.
10.
Ooh. I hope you guys heard that. What was it?
Cake.
I know, 10. No.
10. Cake 10.
Yes. Cheers. Cheers. Ooh. Today we're trying our luck with chocolate. I bet most of the people watching this like chocolate. So yeah, I don't think I need to say much. And it's pretty easy. I've kept all the measurements the same. I've just added 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. For garnish, I've added some chocolate cubes. Just for presentation, I've sprinkled on some cocoa powder on top of the baked oats. It's another day and we're trying our luck with apples this time. I pretty much did the same thing like what I did with the strawberries. I chopped them, then I boiled them and turned it into a puree. So one additional ingredient that I did add was cinnamon powder. So 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then all you need to do is add your apple puree into your batter and that's pretty much it. जति खानु नि भाउजू
नेक्स्ट टाइम बनाउँदा चाहिँ अलिक चिनी हाल्नु है
You serious?
यहाँ त्यति बेसी हुन्छ है
यसमा चाहिँ फेरि रिफाइन्ड सुगर मेरो चाहिँ हेल्दी Now for my last recipe, we're experimenting with carrots. For this recipe, the two main ingredients are carrots and ginger. All you need to do is finely grate these two ingredients. We will then add the grated mixture into milk. For sweetener, we're adding 1 tablespoon of jaggery. After mixing in the ingredients, all we need to do is condense this mixture into a thick paste. For garnish, we're chopping up some almonds and cashews. Chill.
Professional bakery. Yummy. याद आयो मम्मी
Rhyme, right? Rhyme king. He's a rhyme king.
Rhyme at appropriate time.
No, any more? Keep going.
This is baked by my only daughter Yuku.
So as you can see, our source of entertainment is Papa, Garma. So let us rate this baked oats.
10 out of 10.
So this was the end of my baked oatmeal series, and I hope you guys liked it. I really enjoyed spending time in the kitchen, and it was a very fun activity. So I'll see you guys in my next video.